Hi guys, here you've got FAIRPHONE 4 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So if you want to enter a secret code, you have to open your phone dialer, then select keypad, and let's start with the first code, very short one. It is *# 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with device information. So after you enter this code, you can check your email numbers or serial number. Then click on OK to exit. And another code that you can use here is *# *#, 225 #*. This one will show you the calendar info. So all calendars that are connected with your device would be displayed right here. Let me go back. And the last code that I want to show you today is *#, 426 #*. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status, so smoothly go through all the details. And once you want to get a bit more knowledge, just tap on more icon and enroll advanced view. And here you've got it. It shows in both panels. So it is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.